You know, when you've been cleaning as long as I have, almost 40 years now, there's hardly nothing more aggravating than a jet not spraying or spraying incorrectly. And there's 4 reasons for that. Let's check them out. Number 1, it's important to descale your machine. So much scale builds up inside the machine, you have a lot of heat, a lot of components going on there. Make sure you descale it at least once a year. Number 2, replace your wire braided hoses at least once a year because they start to degrade, break down, and then it moves over to your jets and clogs them up. Also, you want to avoid black death. Number 3, for your water, garden, hose inlet, go ahead and get yourself an inlet filter. That makes a huge difference. Number 4, make sure you clean your wand hat filter at least every 90 days. The wrong way I see guys doing is using a paper clip and a safety pin. Why? Because it distorts the jet. You distort the jet, you distort the fiber. The quickest way is just to use a brass brush. Pull it out of your pocket, hit the jet, and it usually comes clean. If that doesn't get it, get a welding tip cleaner and boom, it's done. Top numbers indicate thread size, bottom numbers degree and flow. Lastly, replace your jets at least once a year because they get out of round. On top of, make sure you get the right size. They come in 1/8 inch and they come in 1/4 inch. Almost all wands are 1/8 inch.